Listen to the twittering birds in the morning and feel the hustle and bustle in the night. Hear the lyrical whispers of the winds and the musical murmurs of the rivers. Merge into a symphony of happiness for this vast land. Hear the jingling camel bells and the tuneful pastoral songs integrate into a beautiful melody of life. All sounds are telling the story of this land. Have you ever heard grasshoppers chirping in the corner? Have you ever heard acorns falling to the ground? Have you ever heard frogs croaking in the rice field? Have you ever heard bees buzzing in the flower garden? Have you ever heard roosters crowing in the village? Have you ever heard katydid chirping in the grass? Have you ever heard falcons calling in the sky? Have you ever heard birds singing in the lake? Have you ever heard the call of red deer in the populous Euphratica forest? Have you ever heard cranes dancing in the wetland? Have you ever heard beavers nibbling near the stream? In Xinjiang, you can listen to the whispers of the sky and feel the freedom of flying high. In Xinjiang, you can listen to the singing of mountains and rivers and feel the harmony of Mother Nature. In Xinjiang, you can listen to the resonance of life and feel the abundance of happiness. Waiting for you in Xinjiang, Let's listen to the long unheard sounds of nature together.